Something has been sorely missing in my life for some time now, and that is enjoying my craft. I had to think about why I felt like I wasn't enjoying weaving as much as I used to. And I think that I have hit on the reason why, because I haven't been able to do it. I spend a lot of time working with looms and without looms, working on the business side of weaving, but I get extremely little time to just weave on the things that I want to weave on. And so it's time for that to change, because I have the mindset that, well, I just don't have time for it. And when you have that mindset, then you probably won't have time for it, because there is one thing that I have learned over the past year, and I've been working on my health, my physical health, my mental health, and my faith. And what I've realized through doing that in a very targeted way is that you have to make time for the things that are super important to you. Because if you just wait until you get time, it probably won't happen. And I've also found that it's well worth investing that time. It pays off in huge dividends. So here I am at my big loom, just enjoying a little bit of weaving. And I'm going to make the commitment, because once I've committed to something, I actually do it. I've committed to improving my health and losing weight. I have done that. I've committed to improving my faith, the time that I spend praying and reading my Bible and doing all of those really great things that help to increase my faith, and that is working. All of the things that I'm doing for my mental health, well, there's too much to mention, but it all ties in together. But the thing is committing to it. So I am committing to, even if it's 5 minutes a day, I'm committing to doing some non-work weaving. And it can be any type of weaving, and it can be any project at all. The only thing is that it's to be non-work. And so I think this is going to work out well. I want to encourage you as well. If you find that you're not getting time for weaving, think about ways that you can commit in order to make that time, because that's the only thing that's going to make it happen ultimately. And even if, like for me, if it's really small increments of time, I never get, a weaving day or anything like that. It's not like I could set aside an entire day. But just to make that commitment to say, yes, I'm going to work on something every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. We'll see how we go.